Looking for delightful reindeer treats for your Christmas gathering? We're embarking on a culinary adventure to create these whimsical, tasty delights that perfectly capture the holiday spirit. They're not just cute, they're scrumptious too. Stay tuned to find out how to make these adorable snacks. Gather these simple ingredients to get started. You'll need 1 cup of pretzel twists, half a cup of red M&Ms, and a pack of Nutter Butter cookies. Also, get your hands on some candy eyes and chocolate chips. With these ingredients ready, you're set to start creating your reindeer treats. Follow these steps to bring your reindeer treats to life. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating, take a large bowl and mix in your dry ingredients: flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, combine your wet ingredients: melted butter, vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Slowly incorporate your dry mixture into the wet one, making sure to stir well after each addition. Once your dough is ready, shape it into small, round cookies and place them on your baking sheet. Now for the fun part. Press pretzels into the top of each cookie to form the reindeer's antlers. Add chocolate chips for the eyes and a red candy for the nose. Bake your cookies for about 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Allow them to cool completely before serving. And there you have it. Your delightful reindeer treats are ready to be served. These reindeer treats are sure to bring joy and sweetness to your Christmas gathering. We've just walked through a simple process that anyone can follow to create these festive nibbles. Imagine the smiles when these cute reindeer faces pop up on your holiday table. So why not give it a go? These treats not only taste great, but also add a magical touch to your festive celebrations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delightful treat ideas. Happy holidays!